Let me show you how to create stroke path in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Select menu and select Subject. Select Quick Selection tool and remove inner selection. Now go to Select menu and select Modify and Expand. Expand by 20 and then OK. Now press Right click and make Word Path. Tolerance 2.2 and then OK. Now go to Pen tool. Select Shape and change Path to Shape. Now we can easily change the color and stroke size. Here we can change stroke into line. That's it, stroke path is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.